To give a little more background on Tivity, it's not going to, you're not going to be a traditional healthcare provider. So you don't have an EHR and those kind of things. You'll have more consumer based types of applications. I would imagine some cloud applications, maybe even some development capabilities. Give us an idea of what the solution set looks like and what the activities look like.
Sure. So we're a big dev shop. I would say about 60% of our team is software development. And you think about that being because when Silver Sneakers really became mainstream with its digital platforms, well, more than a decade ago, those had to be custom built. Those things didn't exist off the shelf. And then all the tie-ins that start to go into what it takes to run the organization around that, and all these individual offerings and the ability to have customized programs for different products. Those all became homegrown applications and all the different backend that goes along with that. But as you know, technology moves very quickly, and the organization has been through pretty significant change over the last decade as well, either mergers, acquisitions, divestitures, et cetera. So we are now at Tivity owning the Silver Sneakers and the Prime and the Whole Health Living and the Wisely Well brands. We are in the process of truly replatforming that. Not just all of our technology on the back end, going from having a couple of data centers and some cloud activity to guess what? We're going to have one data center. We're going to do most of the things that we want to do in the cloud. We want a hybrid environment that really makes us able to have code-based infrastructure. And then you put all of your development on top of that in a place like AWS, using Kubernetes for containerization, using low-code environment, because that's where most things are headed. So that, like we used to talk about even in the hospitals, you allow people to practice at their highest level of licensure. Well, create an environment that allows your practitioners in your own environment to practice at their highest level of capability as well. And nobody wants to be running around hard coding things and doing backup and recovery to 2 data centers anymore. And so you have to get there. And so we are on a fast track to do those things. And when we can partner with a Snowflake or a Redpoint or a Stitch or a Stream to make these different things happen, we do. And if we have to go and build things still, then we're going to build them in the most optimized and agile environment we possibly can. So no shortage of just things happening everywhere. And what most people don't realize, so important, is that our entire company has like 350 people in it. That's it, 350. IT is about 68 of them with 30 contractors helping us to get us where we need to be. And so you think about the size of a company, it sounds this huge, amazing workforce to get this thing done. No, you just have a whole lot of smart people working really hard to do very finite, very specific deliverables in a way that allows us to do that hasn't been done before.